Learn a lot from that team.
Yeah.
I tweeted out, I think we should take a play from their book, that football team's book, and
Yeah.
do something kind for someone today.
Sounds like a good idea.
It's pretty cool.
Today.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
Well, weather today, we can learn something from it too. It's going to be cooler, and this is what we should get used to. So the temperatures we're seeing out there now, really low 50s for most of us. Our highs only going to be about 5 degrees warmer than that. So we've got some changes moving in between now and this afternoon, and it's a cold front. The answer lies here on the jet stream forecast. So you can see that U shape coming into the Pacific Northwest. That's cooler air affiliated with an area of low pressure, or a trough, as we call it. And this is just round one. You can see there's a secondary cold front kind of squished in behind this first one, and that one's going to come into play for Friday. So with this first one, biggest change we're going to notice, temperatures. We could see some mountain rain and snow showers. This one's really just going to cool us off from the from near 70 yesterday into the mid 50s today. So we'll be stuck with this today. Tomorrow, kind of an in-between day, and then by Friday we get our second front pushing through. This one could help some showers develop, not just in the mountains but also here in southwestern Idaho. Not to mention, temperatures are also going to be cold enough that we're talking about snow, especially up in the higher elevations. By next week, we get a little bit of a change. It won't be quite as cold, a little bit different pattern moving in, so we'll get to see some sunshine and more comfortable fall-like temps. So satellite and radar, right now things are quiet. We do have a nice layer of clouds draped across the valley. That continues up into the mountains. Couple of light, very spotty showers passing through the areas near Cascade and McCall. Couple sprinkles here and there, but most of the activity that you see still off to the west of us there in eastern Oregon, Baker City on up through Joseph and beyond. So rain and snow mix, meaning depending on your elevation, could see some rain showers, could see some snow. Nothing to write home about here, but it does just hint at kind of where that front is situated right now in eastern Oregon, getting ready to kind of push down into our forecast area as we continue through the morning today. Biggest difference we're going to notice, again, going to be those temperatures. We'll start off in the low to mid 40s for the morning, and then we'll slowly climb back into the mid 50s for those daytime highs, and then cool it off from there again. Overnight lows tonight going to be awfully chilly, so we'll land in the 40s tonight. 30s overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. So plan for freezing temperatures for many areas in the valley. I'd say we'll get down to about 34 in Boise, but again, some areas could see that freezing point get reached, or we could bottom out below it. So take note of it if you do have a garden with some of those sensitive plants left in it at this point. Otherwise, on the future cast, again, we're going to watch to start seeing the wet weather moving into our northern mountains first and foremost, continuing to sink down toward the Sawtooths and possibly into the Wood River Valley by this afternoon. Around here, it's just going to be cloud cover. We should stay mainly dry. Maybe an isolated shower, I would guess, mostly along the western edge of the valley today, but I think we're just looking at a big difference in the temperatures. Tomorrow, kind of our in-between day. So as we fast forward into Thursday, noticing mostly sunny skies here in the immediate area. Good news, but you can see storm number 2 setting up, knocking on the door. That next batch with some more precipitation looks to move in sometime overnight Thursday into Friday, and will give us the chance of showers on Friday. More of this is going to mean snow in the mountains. We see some larger chunks of it here. Again, the colors transitioning over to purple from green up in the highest elevations. This is a very early look and a very early indicator. Notice that these numbers can definitely change, but kind of shows where and how much of that snow might start to fall. So by 6 a.m. on Friday, kind of looking about an inch or so in areas like McCall. Snow levels are going to be dropping down to around 4,000 feet in our northern mountain ranges, and then about 5,000 feet along the Nevada border as we get into Friday. So it's not even that by Friday morning, and we could see, an inch or two in Stanley by that point, but it's going to be Friday during the day that we could continue to see the snow pile up. So we'll be watching that closely, and the hint around here of winter just going to be in our overnight temps. So no snow on the docket for us. We are going to see a chance for some showers on Friday, but it will be rain. We are not talking about that 4-letter word that starts with an S that we don't need to be thinking about at this time in the season. Cooler and breezy today, though. Winds will be in that 10 to 20 mile an hour range. They should die down tonight and be lighter tomorrow, but it will be cooler for Thursday, so do plan on a day in the low 50s. And actually, we hang on to those low 50s for a few days, Friday into Saturday. Friday looks to be the only day where we do have a chance of showers, and then we clear out nice and quickly as the storm zips out by Saturday, and then from there temperatures start to rebound. We'll be in the upper 50s on Sunday, low 60s Monday, and into Tuesday too. At least we have some sunshine.